According to Engineer Daniel Kisira, the head of project implementation at the Uganda Electricity Transmission Company Limited, the construction of the Mirama-Kabale 132 kilovolt transmission line is now 99% complete. During the inspection of the construction work, Engineer Kisira noted that only 1 kilometer of the transmission line remains, representing just 1% of the project. He confirmed that the construction is expected to be completed by next week.
The government, through a loan from the Islamic Development Bank of 83 million, invested in the construction of a 88-kilometer line from Mirama substation, which is also supplying power to Rwanda, to connect from Mirama up to Kabale. Additionally, there was a rural electrification component to strengthen the local grid as part of the loan. So as the minister has highlighted, the project is now at the tail end. What is stopping us? The substation is complete, the priority scope is complete to supply to the local community. We're just waiting to complete the transmission line within a week, a maximum of a week.
The project, valued at 83 billion Uganda shillings and financed by the Islamic Development Bank, is slated for commissioning on December 14th, 2024.
I wanted the base to receive the power to be done. They have actually been done. They are just waiting for the transmission line to arrive here, and they will be connected and will go right to the big transformers, which will then go to the next stage of my interest. I wanted to find the station energized. So I've actually seen the distribution side is complete.
Minister Sidronius Okaasai Opolot acknowledged that while the completion of the substation is a significant milestone, it alone will not immediately address power outages, particularly for those connected to the old colonial-era power lines.
I'm not promising that the outages will go out, because I'm bringing more power to an old lines, very old lines. And when you bring a lot of food, the children will overeat and then they will fall sick because their bodies are not used to big food. So the outages are likely to occur because of the old lines that we have.
However, he assured that the government is actively working to improve the distribution network by installing new poles and conductors to ensure a more stable power supply to the region.
The ministry is forward-looking. We are seeing development actually coming to this region. By completing this substation, we have also plans to take power from this station, establishing other supply substations where there are going to be sites of development. When you look at this station, there are 4 other bays which will enable us to take bulk power to other demand centers. For example, there is going to be a factory, a steel mill.
Kabale Resident District Commissioner Godfrey Nyakahuma noted that they will be pleased the more to see the station fully functional, as the region has for long battled a power crisis.
I stood the names of government and told people that by December we are going to have power. Now, whenever power goes off, they talk of my name. That I'm the person who refused them to demonstrate. Otherwise, they should have demonstrated to show their dissatisfaction.
The Kigezi sub-region is one of the areas in Uganda that faces frequent power outages, but with the establishment of a power station, there is hope for better.